and welcome to Titan TV. My name is Annika Hayes.
Today is Friday, September 24th, and I'm Jordan Goddard, and now for today's top stories.
Congratulations to the JV football team on their thrilling 40-38 win over Flagler Palm Coast last night. Freshman Jermaine Hayes scored 3 touchdowns, freshman J.R. Cook scored 2 touchdowns, and sophomore Jaden Franco returned an interception for a touchdown. The Titans improved 2-0 on the season.
The varsity football team will travel to Lake Brantley tonight. Kickoff is at 7 p.m. and tickets can be purchased at gofan.com.
Today, SGA will host a luau-themed pep rally during 7th period. Wear your best Hawaiian shirt and lei.
Good Friday morning to you. Titans, a cold front is passing through the area and bringing tranquil conditions. Right now, beautiful sunshine over Daytona Beach. You can see on our sky cam, it's looking phenomenal out there. Temperatures significantly cooler north and west. We're in the mid-70s here for the metro as the cold front continues to pass through. Just seeing a couple high clouds on our infrared satellite imagery. And into the afternoon, expect partly cloudy skies. It's going to be a beautiful day in store for us. 76 right now in Sanford, 74 in DeLand, a little bit milder along the Space Coast where that cold front is stationed across the area. 78 in Daytona Beach locally and Ormond Beach sitting at a balmy 72 degrees. As we go over the next 24 hours, you will notice those dew points do start to fall on down as that drier air moves in. I'm tracking the front plus a little bit of isolated shower activity for the afternoon. Much more on that coming up. Back to you, Guy.
Homecoming dance will be held on October 9th at 7 p.m. in the UHS gym. Early bird entry on sale now through the UHS website for $30 through Friday, September 27th. The price will increase on September 27th through October 8th. Please don't delay. Purchase today as capacity is limited.
The homecoming parade will be held on Saturday, October 2nd. Parade applications are due today. Please send them to Mrs. McCann.
Our homecoming pep rally will be held on October 2nd at 7 p.m. in the bus loop following the parade. And now over to Dom.
Beautiful afternoon in store for us across Central Florida. Temperatures holding steady in the low to mid 80s, 84 by about 2 o'clock. If you are headed out to the beach, it's looking great, my friends. And those pleasant conditions will continue all through the afternoon and evening. A few clouds working in, but not a single drop of rain anticipated. Maybe a little bit of a sprinkle here trying to develop, but that's really about it. Rain chances 0 to 10% this afternoon. Drier air working its way in. And for the afternoon high temperatures, 88 in Orlando, 87 in Ocala, 84 here locally in New Smyrna Beach along the coast. Low to mid 80s expected with patchy sunshine. Hurricane Sam won't be too much of an issue. It will continue to work off to the west-northwest and eventually miss the United States, so we're thankful for that. And over the next couple of days, 70 forecast shows plenty of sunshine, upper 80s to right around 90 degrees, and those overnight lows start to get a little bit more crisp as we head into next.
That's all the news we have for you today.
Thanks for watching,
And remember, it's all about the
University High School Titans.
Go Titans.